Motorola launched its new budget-friendly phone in India called Moto G06 Power. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G06 Power features a tall 6.88-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto G06 Power sports a single 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with Dolby Atmos sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.35 by 77.5 by 8.82 millimeters, and it weighs around 220 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G06 Power has been priced in India at 7,499 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from October 11th. In Laurel Oak, Tapestry, and Tendra color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G06 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.